Fiber-reactive dyes are textile dyes, which form a covalent bond with the fibers of the textile, resulting in a long-lasting bright dye. The covalent bond is a chemical bond that involves sharing a pair of electrons between atoms in a molecule. Problem/question. If I take 5 different types of fabric, 100% cotton, 100% rayon, 100% nylon, 100% polyester, and 35% cotton, 65% polyester blends, and tie-dye them with the same colors of fiber-reactive dye, on which fabric will the dye show up best? These are the different kinds of fabric. Hypothesis. If I take 5 different types of fabric, 100% cotton, 100% rayon, 100% nylon, 100% polyester, and 35% cotton, 65% polyester blends, and tie-dye them with the same colors of fiber-reactive dye, the color will show up best on 100% cotton. Reason for my hypothesis. The reason I chose 100% cotton for my hypothesis is because it's an all-natural fiber, and all natural fibers work better when dyeing with fiber-reactive dyes. Experiment/process. Cut each piece of fabric the same size. I did 12 by 12. Label fabric to tell which is which. Pre-wash the fabric squares in the washing machine with water on hot. Add 1/4 cup of textile detergent and let air dry. Put 2 teaspoons of powdered dye and 1 tablespoon of salt in a glass jar. Add 1 cup of warm water and mix thoroughly. Do this to each color you're dyeing. If you're using more than one, I use 3. Wet the fabric. Pour the dye on the fabric. Make the soda ash solution. Put 2 tablespoons of soda ash in a plastic container. Add 1 quart of warm water and mix until dissolved. Put each fabric square into separate plastic bags. Pour 1/2 cup of the soda ash solution into each of the bags. Seal them and let out as much air as possible. Leave the bag to sit for 1 hour. After 1 hour, dump out all the contents in the bag and rinse the fabric until the water runs clear. Do a final wash of the fabric. To make sure all the excess dye is out of the fabric, redo step 2. Materials you will need: 5 different types of white fabric samples, permanent marker, scissors, ruler, measuring cup, textile detergent, spoons, measuring spoons, fiber-reactive dye powder, salt, soda ash. Plastic container can hold 1 quart. Clean glass jar 10 ounces or larger. Plastic bag 1 gallon size. And rubber gloves. Analysis. My hypothesis was incorrect. Instead of the dye showing up best on 100% cotton fabric, it showed up best on 100% rayon. Although there is controversy on which one worked best, 100% cotton or 100% rayon, I think it may be a matter of opinion which one showed up brightest. Data table. Fabric types, description, and rate 1 through 5, and colors used. For 100% cotton, I give it a 4 because the color is bright but faded, and the colors I used were red, yellow, and blue. For 100% rayon, I give it a 5 because the color is bright and vibrant and not at all faded, and the colors I used were red, yellow, and blue. And for 100% nylon, I give it a 3 because the color is bright but in lighter shades and faded dye, and the colors I used were red, yellow, and blue. For 100% polyester, I gave it a 1 because the color is almost non-existing and very faded, and the colors I used were red, yellow, and blue. For 35% cotton and 65% polyester, I give it a 2 because the color is very light and faded, and the colors I used were red, yellow, and blue. These are the fabrics after I tie-dyed them. This experiment has to do with science because it has to do with covalent bonds with the molecules in the fabrics and different fibers.